#1 trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Everybody must see Spice Frenz music video by now. If you don't see it, you miss out, man. I tell you, it's been out about 2 days now and people it hot. It a trend #1. Spice so excited that she went on her live, call her fans them and I tell them thanks. May have the footage just for show now. So welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Yeah, people, I also some other things to show you what Spice post this morning. You know, she post like a little behind the scene picture with a caption where make a lot of people say, yeah, nah, you know what I mean? We're going to show you what that is. And also she posts another video, just a little simple video. I said she had problems getting out the thing out her back. You know, the prosthetic with the knife in her back. You see me? For the makeup, for the music video. So I'm going to show you the live them. She calling her fans them. And then we're going to get on to what we just talk about. So the first thing we want to show you, she get a set of twins. She called a lot of people before that, but it was bare like younger people, like kids basically her answer. So she get a set of twins, and here's the live. Here goes.
Like if you,
no. Let me tell you how it
if
go.
you on the left,
Let me tell you how it
the
go.
next one feel it.
Well, emotional wise, but not necessarily like pain. You see, like if him angry, me can feel, me can know when he angry. If him upset, me know. You know them look away. Like if him sad, me know when he depressed, and them look away. You see me? If he get a cut or him hurt, oh, it's like, you know, your intuition tell you, your mind tell you, your feelings change. Like, you know, your mood, like you're happy now, and then all of a sudden you're probably not feel happy again. So you know there's something go on with your brother. Your intuition tell you, your mind, your brain tell you. You see me? So it's complicated, but the intuition is there, isn't it? Like it called twin telepathy. So like say whatever him think, I can think it at times. Exactly. So like what him feel, me can feel. But not like say if somebody pinch him, you feel it. But like everybody is different, everything is different. Some have that, have a different telepathy than some. For me, for we know emotionally.
So if you're angry, me angry. If you know beside him and you have a bad day and you feel sad, him start feel sad.
Yeah, we can feel it. We can feel it from afar. We can read his mind to like if he might think something, we can know what he might think. Like we can look upon him and we can know say he might think something and he just come to me like that, like simple like that. We can know, we can read his mind sometimes.
To lie.
Yes, true. I'm God about me. I tell you it's called twin telepathy. Everything have their own telepathy. Yeah.
What do you mean? That's
yes, man, Spice, we are telling the truth, man. It is like telepathic communication without talking. Yeah. So like, you know? Like everything have it, but so many different.
Mother Fred, that's amazing. Yeah. That's a beautiful gift, though. That's amazing.
Yes, man. I have to be close to your twin for that happen, you see me? So we close now, you know, certain things go on, you see me? Yes, man.
I want to have a twin. I want to have a twin.
Yes, man. I'm going to have it twin too. I want boy and girl, you have me not say I can't go on again.
Nothing wrong with that. But big up on yourself. I'm happy to hear that because I'm always fascinated with twins. All right?
Yes, I'm big up myself for your tune. I see me, I love all your songs. You're my number one artist. I see it.
All right, big up.
All right, big up yourself.
All right, big up.
So Spice is very fascinated by twins. She says she wants a pair of twins. And it so happened that after that, there's a lot of people on the live I said them a twin. One other person actually called, but he was by himself, and him say my twin also, identical twin. But for him twin, I don't know when twin did there, right? So Spice, I said she want twins. One thing Spice did mention what made me laugh, you know, them basically I said they can read each other thoughts at time. And Spice I say if she have a twin, somebody think them what she a think. She would want nobody know. You see what I say? But Spice I talk about the twin thing for a little bit, and her son come in at the room, so I go show no that part there. So listen to what Spice said to her son and hear what his answer was. Here goes.
So much twin. And so much people are twin. I mean, I get a twin. Nicholas, you want me to have a twin? You want me to have a twin?
No.
Wow. Why? You want to get everything?
Wait, if me for have a twin?
If you want me to have a twin, so you have two brothers.
No, two are you? No.
No, yeah.
Nicholas said two are you? No.
Nicholas think me I say, if you would want me to be a twin, Nicholas said, two are you? company them say me miserable. Every time I come in the house, my custom say the house dirty and I have to take up this and do this and take up that. Because I said, who are you? Nicholas said, who are you? Oh my God.
So when you see how the thing said, misunderstanding can bring honesty, because Nicholas definitely no want another Spice. You see me? We don't know say Spice take care of kids them, so she have a strict on them for get them in the right way. I would assume still. You see me? That is my opinion. So yeah, people, but she did call one more person after this, you see me, and no matter about the music video, which the original live was about that, right? She called her fans them to thank them for the music video. It trending #1. Everybody has said, watch it, people. If you don't watch it yet, you need to check it out. Man, nah lie. She put a lot of effort into it. You saw me, I say, great concept and everything, and you need to check it out. You saw me, I say, just give it a look, and if you may not think you're not gonna like it, but if you don't, you know what I mean, that's okay. What people may I go show to the next person when she call, and then me I go show to the other stuff what me talk about at the beginning of the video. So here goes.
Right, Wagwan.
So me get a nice big man, yeah, man. Wagwan. From there, be young people, me I get.
Yo, you know, long more of the on your life can big you up and them something the Spice.
For real. What you have me now, so I'm
Song
all
they
yours.
shot. Yeah, that song they shot, mama. That French song that me nah lie, mama. That's French song that no normal.
Thank you.
Me no stop rewind it, mama. Lord.
A real pre, a real mate.
The video go fine with it. So the video go fine with it. Part where that brother they fill up the spliff, get the next man.
Yeah.
Oh God, man, I tell you.
A
You
problem.
help all the mad boy and him still turn and stab you in your back, baby.
And you saw me, I tell you.
A mad boy the way take off.
You see what I tell you, oh, Adrian wicked.
Jesus
Me not tell
Christ.
the boy. You see what I tell you.
You may tell him, wicked man, him wicked. Cause you help him in a Spice. Take him
Yeah.
off the road, give him work and all them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
I'm glad for the art to enjoy it.
Yeah, man. Big up
baby.
yourself. Hear that? Mad love.
Yeah, big up your daughter too. I love when you show them up. Them two nice kids you have. Nah, like, you hear that?
Big up. Respect.
Yeah,
You
man.
hear that?
Blessings, you hear that?
Mad love. Always.
Yeah,
Enough love.
man.
Respect. Yeah, man. Big
Yes,
up.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I talk about the music video and I talk about the part then where Spice actually help somebody and then still turn around and betray her, right? And when you hear Spice, I say Adrian Wicked. And if you don't know who Adrian is a road manager, and Spice always amount him. First, you know, she did that talk about one video was gone where she had talk about him video get a sexy man for putting her music video and him say him nah go look no man for putting her no video, right? Then she did talk about him and the same run left for a gas station when time the gas did a leak out. The same person. So when I get what me I try to say, right? So Spice always amount him, right? But this is what she did now. She posted a photo with her with the thing them in her back, the scissors and a knife and everything, the makeup artist, special effects or whatever you might call it, right? And she said this in the caption. The saddest thing about betrayal is that it never comes from the enemies. It's always come from friends and loved ones. The greatest thing about my wounds are that each stab came from hands I helped, so I took each one with a smile. Watch your friends more than your enemy. And then she said, link in her bio, we still #1. And then she posts this video where she had take out the thing them out her back.
Why? Why? To paint my skin. Ah! Is that the... Why? No, sir. It's man. It's a worse now. It's a worse now? What you mean? Jesus mighty God, I want me to people in my life. Why? Ow. No, sir.
I said that to her right now.
Why?
Now, people, these are just one of the scene in the music video. The knife in her back thing are just one of the scenes. She also had another scene where them a burn the witch at the stake. You know what I mean? The whole time talking like them a capture Spice and carry her, say she a witch and a burn her. And she actually says she gets some burn for real in that scene there. Like, oh, she has said it's painful. So, if you want to see the music video, want to tell me what you think about it down in the comment section. If not, go and watch it and come back and tell you what you think. You see what I mean? I say. So, people, that's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourselves. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.